Well, hello, everybody. I am going to show you today how me, as a low income artist, will make her very own art supplies. These heart confettis are really fun and I use them in Valentine's Day projects. So I am starting out with, of course, a Dollar Tree pair of scissors and the scraps from a previous art project and a really cool jar. Let's face it, I need a jar because if I do not put them in a jar and put them up to sea, I may never use them again and they will just become scraps of paper in the bottom of my scrap paper bucket, just like they are now. So, obviously, I am really someone who, if I'm not making art supplies just to, enjoy the time or you know, keep my hands busy. I'm going to make art supplies just because, one, I can't find that particular art supply that I need at a store, and either that or it's just too expensive, and it's okay. It's okay. I go to one store once a year. I usually get to have a small little shopping art supply spree, and I am not always able to find everything I want. So sometimes I do need to make my own art supplies. And it does take a while. In fact, this one little thing, this little bunch, took me about 2.5 hours. But it's worth it. I will get going on the rest of them later. But for now, I am going to put them in the jar, put them up so they can become an inspiring piece of art that I can work on later. And then I will be using this with a hole punch and making other glitters or scraps and doing that. And obviously, have plenty of scrap paper to make even more. So I hope this inspires you to make your own art supplies when you just don't have what you need and you can enjoy it. So have a great day and bye.